Welcome to Direct Dumpsters, your top choice for dumpster rental in Dayton, Ohio. We are committed to providing you with reliable and efficient waste disposal solutions. We offer a wide range of dumpster sizes at Direct Dumpsters to cater to all your project needs. From small home cleanouts to large construction jobs, we have the perfect dumpster for you. Our clean, durable, and well-maintained dumpsters ensure you get the best quality every time. Trust Direct Dumpsters to handle your waste responsibly and effectively. Our friendly and experienced team is here to provide exceptional customer service. We're always available to answer your questions and help you choose the right dumpster. Renting a dumpster with us is simple and convenient. Direct Dumpsters guarantee timely delivery and pickup to keep your project on track. We work with you to schedule the best delivery time for your needs. Ready to rent a dumpster? Contact Direct Dumpsters at 937-572-1157 or visit us at www.directdumpstersllc.com. Dumpster Rental Dayton, OH to book now. Direct Dumpsters, your reliable partner for dumpster rental in Dayton, Ohio, where quality meets convenience.